Hey guys, I got this swaddle to review, and as you guys can see, he is so happy in it and he absolutely loves it. The first thing I love is that this is super soft. Everything about it, even the silent Velcro on here, is so soft. Another great feature is this has a double zipper, so those middle of the night diaper changes are so much easier because you don't even have to wake him up to change the diaper. So there's 3 stages to this. Right now he's in the 3rd stage where he's got both arms out here. And so it gives him that secureness of still having the swaddle on him, but it's that transition to be out of the swaddle eventually. Another great feature about this is this breathable mesh up here. This allows for easy breathing, but it also keeps baby cool in the middle of the night so he doesn't get too warm. There's also a really great snap up here so that instead of this zipper irritating him, you could just go ahead and snap this and he's set for the night. Now, for stage 2, if you want, you can tuck his arm back in. So as you guys can see then for stage 2, he's got one arm out, which gives him the freedom if he wants to put his hand to his mouth or anything like that. Now for stage 1, you can either have hands inside, or you can go ahead and use the chest plate here and put his arms down and secure it with that silent Velcro. This offers the snugness, and then it helps prevent that startle reflex from waking them up. This also can be removed. It just has on here 2 snaps on each side, and then the silent Velcro on the back, so you don't have to use this piece at all either. Now this is 100% cotton, so it can be used in the washing machine and dryer. So another great feature with this swaddle is it has a temperature sensor right here, so you're gonna be able to tell if baby is too warm or too cold inside of the swaddle. As you guys can see, he loves this. So this is perfect for your newborn all the way up till they start rolling. And so we definitely recommend this product. Go check it out.